Hey, David C. Thank you for agreeing to try the samples. If I can help you with Isagenix, I wanted to give you a little heads up on just the product. I find people overlook that this is the flagship shade, the one I sent you most likely, and use a blender. I'm okay with the granular substance of the hand shaker. I'm okay with that. Some people don't like that. I always recommend you start with a real blender. With these, it's just 2 scoops, ice and water, follow the instructions. Some people use different things. Some people use almond milk, and you can make it your own. But it's a meal replacement shake. It's not a protein shake. They have add-on proteins if you want that, but I recommend you do it exactly as directed. Then I've also included my favorite, hydration. This is sugar-free hydration. I love this. I have my kids doing it. I started doing it, especially as I got older. I found that I needed more electrolytes, sugar-free, so I use it every day when I'm in the gym. Sometimes if I feel dehydrated, if I've been in the sun, I will go ahead and do another one. So I recommend that. And then also the bar, I love this. This is plant-based. They have so many bars. There's been a little bit of a backlog in the inventory because of the popularity of it, but look for the bars. I love them. Hopefully that I sent you one of those. If you want to try it, let me know. And then I also probably sent you a copy of my passion project, The Hustle Forever, which is a book I wrote years ago, really just to impart legacy onto my family. But at the same time, there is a fitness section in here. I'm going to highly, highly, highly recommend that you read it, because we are creatures of habit, good habits and bad habits. If you need to break a habit, if you're trying to lose weight, if you're trying to drop alcohol, if you're trying to do things, we can break habits in as little as 23 days. If you do that in 3 cycles of 23, you get up to 66 days. I'm sorry, 69 days. Sorry. Those days, you can change the way that you think, right? It's a very real scientific concept, neuroplasticity, where you can rewire your brain to do the good things that you want to do, not necessarily to do the bad things. And we all have little vices here and there. But this book gives you a calendar and it helps you walk through that. So if there's anything that I can do to help you, please let me know. And then for those of you that have asked about, well, how do you sell it? What do you do to sell it? And I really just share samples with people because I love it. I've been using the product over 10 years, but have a lot of confidence in the company. But also, if people want to be active associates and get better pricing and then try to build some side income on it, then I just want to show you it's really easy. When you sign up as an associate, you get this website, and the website is here, and it looks just like my website. You will get this T for T, right? Exact. And it will help you understand that it's an extension of you. You actually get your own extension, and that comes with a back office. It comes with a system where you can follow your business, track your business. It's not a get rich quick type of thing. Do people do that? Yeah, but you've got to be authentically invested. That's why I think that if you use the products and you enjoy the products, you've got a much higher probability of success and not burning out and quitting with it. And you don't have to sell it. You can just be a preferred customer. Of course, I appreciate all my customers and I'm happy to answer any questions. You just be a customer if you want. Don't overthink it. Just have some fun with it. And then there's always a welcome email. Look, there's so much information online about how to use the weight management system, how to use the natural beauty, the daily nutrition, all these things. There's so much information online that it really, really helps. So please let me know if you have any questions. Again, David C., Coach C., thrilled to help you with this, and we can go from there. Thank you.